What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today it's Monday and we're storm chasing. So last night we got a big weather warning saying that there's gonna be plenty of snow up in Big Bear, all pretty much anywhere above I think 4,000 feet. It's dropping below 32 degrees, so we're gonna get plenty of snow. So we decided, hey, let's put a group together, let's go try to find some snow. So Jesse set it up with Jace and we're hitting a back road. So I'm gonna get a little bit more details from them before I tell you exactly where we're going, but we're gonna cover you guys some snow. So today is Monday, January 27th, I believe. And yeah, we're gonna go find snow. We have a nice group with us. So Melly Mel is back. Damn, Melly Mel. Mel, how's it feel to be back, dog?
Finally back out.
We got Jace back there, Taco Man. Tundra Vic is getting ready. We brought the K5. Look at Saw on the Rubicon. That doesn't even look right. It doesn't even look right.
No.
Jesse's out here. Josh brought his pops, so he's out here in the JL. And then obviously we got Plumber and George came out. So it's gonna be a solid day. We're gonna go chase snow and we're gonna get with it. So we're gonna talk to Jace now, let us know where we're going, give us the coordinates just in case you guys want to come out and follow us. Yeah, all right, let's talk to Jesse. He's being weird about it, but we got to find out where we're going. So Jesse, what roads are we taking?
Coxey Road.
Okay.
3 and 1/6. We're gonna pass 3 and 1/4, and then go straight down 3 and 1/6 past Holcomb Creek.
Okay.
And end up on the north side of Big Bear, which will be past Gold Mountain Trail exit.
Right on. So yeah, basically we take Ranchero Road off the 15 freeway and then takes it all the way down to here. Most of it is fire road, nothing too crazy, but it will be covered in snow, so it makes everything a difference. So we're tearing down now, getting ready, and we're gonna get going. So stay tuned, follow us, let's get it. A couple of the guys are struggling coming up. We have the rest of the crew pulling up though, but check out the powder. It's beautiful and it's coming down pretty hard, as you guys can see probably right there. Plumber's back there. We got George, we got the JL, and we got Josh. Gladiator's filthy now, but look at that, look at the views, yo. So we're gonna keep it moving. We'll show you some more as the trail cam is on, and see you in a little bit. Alright team, so we stopped so the kids could play in the snow, but check this fresh powder right here. Look at that. Woo! Got Jace, Tundra Vic's up there. Woo! Thick ass Jesse. Gladiator's first trip in the snow. Got Josh. Woo! And there is some crazy breeze out here that hits you right in the face, so you gotta be ready for it. But Josh's sister's here. We got Mel. Look at Mel, look, he's back. Look, on one of the best days ever. Jesse with the good ideas.
Right?
Yeah. Plumber and the wife came out today. George is here. Rubicon saw.
No.
Rubicon saw with the stock Rubicon.
Damn.
Yikes. That thing's smaller than a Prius, dude. You should put it in the back too. It's only right. What are you doing? Having more fun than the kids. Come here, why are you running? We always gotta mess with her in the camera, so we're gonna keep moving and we'll show you some more beauty up there. See you soon. All right, man, so right before we started to move, we decided to throw some chains on, so check these chains on. Throw them on the power wagon. I guess all the weight in the front and having no weight in the back is causing them to slide, the big girl, so. Ooh, those are nice. There you go, it's doing its thing. But yeah, so if you could ever come out and you're by yourself, four-wheel drive and all that stuff, you guys should have chains with you just in case, because those will help even more.
Hey, you're picking up the mud. We need to stop.
Ooh, look at that. It's chopping through. Nice.
That's traction right there.
All right, so that's traction right there. We're gonna get everybody loaded up and get moving, so stay tuned. Squad, so we just pulled up, had a little bit of lunch, let the kids play again, and we're gonna keep moving. So we're gonna finish this off now, just go solid all the way through, and then get to the Gold Mountain Gatekeeper, and a few of us are gonna try it. It's really packed now, and it's only right that we send it. So we're gonna see how the Gladiator goes up. The long wheelbase and no lift kind of scares me a little bit, but we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully we get to it and everything's good. So the guys are all loading up now, and we're gonna keep moving. So enjoy the footage. See you in a little bit. All right, team, so we just got to Fawnskin. We're pretty much wrapped up here. We're not gonna air up just yet because there's still a lot of snow falling. There's still a lot of snow on the road, but we are taking Jason's chains off, and we're all capable, so we're just gonna drive nice and slow, put it in 4 high and let the trucks do their thing. But I just want to close you out here with this beautiful snowfall that's falling, and I want to thank you. Thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Make sure you check out Patreon. We got hoodies, we got shirts. Show us some love, because we're gonna show it to you guys too. So 2021's gonna be hot. Gladiators right there, and then the rest of the team is getting ready to keep moving. They're just taking his chains off. So I want to thank you guys again, and we'll see you next time.